Ever walked into the gym and felt like everyone was silently judging you? You're not alone, and today, we're exposing the truth behind the 10 real gym fears that almost every person has but never dares to say out loud. From awkward equipment encounters to that inner voice telling you you're not good enough, we're pulling back the curtain and keeping it real. If you've ever felt anxious just stepping onto the treadmill, this video is for you. We're here to shatter the silence, boost your confidence, and make sure you never feel alone in your fitness journey again. Hit that subscribe button and join our community that lifts more than just weights. We lift each other up. 1. Fear of looking weak. The moment you step into the weights area, there's a lingering fear that everyone's silently judging your strength or lack of it. You glance around, comparing yourself to seasoned lifters, unsure if your form is right or if you're lifting enough. This fear stems from a belief that gym value is tied to numbers. The truth is, everyone starts somewhere. The person deadlifting twice your weight was once in your shoes. This fear can hold people back from even beginning. But remember, confidence is built through consistency. The gym is not a performance stage, it's a training ground. 2. Fear of using machines incorrectly. You stare at a machine, trying to decipher the tiny instructional diagram, hoping you're not about to make a fool of yourself. This fear paralyzes many beginners and even some experienced gym goers. Misusing equipment feels like you're announcing to the room that you don't belong. But the reality is, nobody masters every machine right away. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's wisdom. Gym staff are there for a reason, and most people admire others who take initiative to learn. Watching a quick tutorial or reading the labels is totally normal. Eventually, using machines will feel second nature. Over time, you'll build muscle memory and confidence. 3. Fear of being watched. You feel eyes on you, even if no one's really staring. It's like every step, rep, or sweat drip is under a microscope. This fear can be paralyzing, making you overthink your movements or avoid the gym altogether. In reality, people are usually focused on their own routines and insecurities. Gym mirrors amplify this illusion. Remember, everyone is there for personal goals, not to evaluate strangers. Wearing headphones or focusing on your own workout helps tune out distractions. Confidence is built by repetition and familiarity. The more you show up, the less noticeable the fear becomes. Push past the discomfort and keep going. Walking into a gym where most bodies seem lean, sculpted, and athletic can feel incredibly intimidating. You start to wonder if your body even deserves to be in that space. This fear roots itself in unrealistic beauty standards and social comparison. But the gym is a place for change, not perfection. Every body belongs there, whether you're a beginner, in progress, or a pro. Physical diversity is natural, and true fitness has no one shape. Celebrate the fact that you showed up. You're doing more than most just by being there. Wear what feels comfortable and let your goals fuel you. Don't let aesthetics overshadow effort. 5. Fear of sweating too much. You worry that your sweat will gross others out or make you seem out of shape. Maybe you even feel embarrassed about the wet spots on your shirt. But sweating is a sign your body is working, not failing. It's a natural response and should be worn like a badge of effort. Everyone sweats differently, and excessive sweating doesn't make you weird, it makes you human. Bring a towel, stay hydrated, and focus on your mission. People respect hard work more than they judge appearances. Wipe down your equipment and keep pushing. Sweating means you're showing up and doing the work. 6. Fear of taking up space. You hesitate to claim a bench or stand in front of the mirror, worried you're in someone's way or not worthy of the spot. This fear stems from a belief that others have more of a right to be there. But space is for everyone, not just the fit. You deserve it as much as anyone else. Confidence starts by occupying space without apology. Respect others, of course, but don't shrink yourself for their comfort. You paid for your membership and earned your place. Own your space, focus on your form, and let yourself exist boldly. 7. Fear of asking for help. You're lost or confused but too scared to ask for help, worried it'll make you seem clueless. This fear silences growth and traps you in uncertainty. But questions are tools, not weaknesses. Trainers are literally there to assist you. Even pros had to ask questions once. Think of asking for help as investing in your future strength. One good tip can prevent injury or accelerate results. Nobody expects you to know everything. And those who judge questions usually don't have the answers themselves. Speak up and own your learning curve. Knowledge builds confidence. 8. Fear of judgment. When lifting light weights, you reach for the smallest dumbbells and feel a pang of shame, worried others are laughing inside. This fear is based on comparison, but progress is personal. Starting light is smart. It helps build proper form and avoid injury. What matters isn't where you start, but that you start. Heavy lifting doesn't define fitness, consistency does. Everyone starts somewhere, and even the strongest had a light day once. Focus on your journey, not someone else's chapter. Every representative builds strength and resilience. 9. Fear of taking breaks. You pause between sets and feel self-conscious, like people will think you're lazy or slacking. This fear can lead you to rush and compromise your performance. But rest is a critical part of training. It helps muscles recover and grow. Real strength isn't about going non-stop, it's about going smart. Professional athletes rest strategically, and so should you. You're not there to entertain others. Your rest is part of your success. Stand proud during those moments. You're doing what your body needs. Focus on your plan, not their opinions. Breaks are not weakness, they're wisdom in action. 10. Fear of making noise or failing in public. Dropping a weight, grunting during a tough set, or failing a representative can feel mortifying. But noise is part of real effort. Failure is part of real growth. The gym is not a library, it's a place of struggle and triumph. Everyone messes up, drops something, or makes noise. That's part of the grind. It shows you're pushing limits. Don't hold back to avoid being noticed. The most respected gym goers are the ones who give it their all, noise and all. Laugh at your mistakes and try again. If you've ever felt alone with your gym fears, now you know you're not the only one. These hidden insecurities are more common than you think, and the best way to conquer them is by facing them head-on. Every gym journey is messy, awkward, and full of moments that challenge your comfort zone, but that's where the magic of growth happens. So next time you walk into the gym, walk in with courage, knowing that fear doesn't get the final say, action does. Make your next workout about progress, not perfection. And if this video helped you feel a little more seen, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more real talk and transformation.